Look at this image. The enemy is deploying a new type of monster. It appears this new bug is extremely capable in combat. If we allow this alien to breed, we will surely lose the war. They need to be eliminated at once. This operation will begin immediately.
Follow the commander! This is Ranger 43. The spiders are spitting out some kind of thread. Hang in there! I can't go on! They're too big! It's thread! Like on a spider web! One enemy has been destroyed! I can't move! It's coming! It's coming right for me! Leave it to me, brother! You got me! You got me! This is the latest report on the alien invasion. A spider-like alien has been seen in eastern Japan. These creatures have also been confirmed to attack humans. If you see this alien, please do not go anywhere near it. Move it!